Since first launching in 2016, Visualize has always had a speed increase with a change how the render engine behaves in each release. As from 2020, we have full support of this dedicated ray tracing technology, giving up to 177% increase in render time, when comparing the same file set and the same hardware in Visualize 2019 and 2020. This increase is even larger when comparing with previous Pascal generation graphics cards. Besides rendering on the graphics cards, Visualize can run in powerful hybrid rendering mode, utilising both your graphics card and processor at the same time. Now we can stipulate how much of a processor is being used. This allows you to hold some power back to allow for modelling aside SOLIDWORKS, checking emails or other tasks, whilst rendering at the same time. Let us look at a new lighting feature which really enhances the realism of your renders, especially those working in the architectural, engineering and construction industries, required to produce accurate interior lighting. The Illuminating Engineering Society, or IES, light profiles. These are profiles generated from real bulbs, capturing their brightness, colour temperature and direction of lighting. These profiles can be applied to downlighters and spotlights by simply dragging the light onto the correct geometry. Values can be altered individually, with settings tweaked to fit the appropriate environment. We have great integration with SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional for Visualize. Now with a dedicated toolbar to carry out all your usual tasks, whether you're checking in, checking out, viewing the data card, or even checking whether the workflow or the state of the file. Previously you could still do this, however you'd have to be controlling this via Windows Explorer. In 2020, with direct access to these commands built inside SOLIDWORKS itself, increasing collaboration and control in different departments of the enterprise. We gained the ability to be able to use NVIDIA's MDL appearances in 2019. This allowed advanced appearances to be shared across an organisation, consistency between different graphical applications. Building upon this, we now have full control of each individual and tailored setting, allowing the creation of unique appearances. Take this oxidized metal appearance. We may alter the amount of scuffing, rust colour and even rust amount. These easy control parameters creates easy adjustment of the complex appearances. MDL files including the Visualizer library and also the ability to download further materials from NVIDIA's website. During the 2019 release with introduction of the extended reality functionality within the SOLIDWORKS portfolio. This looked into either direct to VR solutions or looked at streamlined exporters to utilise your CAD in different applications. With this second method, we have a new extended reality exporter within Visualize, allowing export to most commonly used XR file formats, GLB and GLTF. These files can contain model geometry, appearances, decals, and even animations depending on the application. These can easily be imported into Unity, Unreal, Shopify, and many other applications in order to create various extended reality experiences.